in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, northern Union County in upstate South Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Spartanburg, or near Croft State Park, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Spartanburg, Union, Pacolet, Monarch Mill, Roebuck, Buffalo, Jonesville, Croft State Park, Moore and Cedar Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Spartanburg and Union.